Let's quickly talk about Lightspeed POS. In today's conversation, I want to give you a full review. I want to go granular here. I want to pay attention to the features, to the pricing, to the pros and cons, to the functionalities, to the capabilities. I want to talk about everything, boss. Here's an overview I really want you to pay attention to. So when you think about this tool, Lightspeed POS, I want you to think about a tool that's great for customer loyalty. And the tool actually offers a point of sale system that is both very easy to use and scalable, making it a great choice for businesses of all sizes. And the system is really EMV compatible and PCI compliant, ensuring that your customers' data is protected. We love that a lot. And Lightspeed also offers inventory management and reporting features, allowing you to keep track of your sales and profits in real time. So in terms of revenue organization, revenue monitoring, revenue, administration, Lightspeed is just fantastic. With its built-in membership and subscription tools, Lightspeed subscriptions makes it a lot easier to keep your customers engaged and keep coming back for more and more and more. And you can offer exclusive deals and discounts to members, as well as monthly boxes filled with their favorite products. It's just fantastic. So the system also has secure, automated, recurring payments that make it a breeze to manage all your memberships and subscriptions. So Lightspeed is, in our view, a very established, powerful POS that offers retail, restaurants and bar and e-commerce features. And by the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a fantastic opportunity to talk to you about Lightspeed and what the great things they do. And the question is, are they really that great, or are they just like average? So one thing I want to say here is that Lightspeed has been in this industry for about 10 to 12 years. So they've been kicking ass for the last 10 to 12 years. They've been doing really, really great. We love the fact that they are adding features every single year, every single month, every single quarter. It's just amazing. Lightspeed, you are doing great. We love that. We love the innovation. Now, there are pros and cons. I'll speak about the cons later on. So everything with Lightspeed is not that perfect, but hey, listen, it is what it is. It is a product of human craft. So you're never gonna have anything perfect coming out of humans anyway. But what I want to say here is that we love the fact that Lightspeed POS may have excellent inventory management and 24/7 customer support. But the thing is that it does not offer too many features for new retail stores, especially when other POS options are just as good or far cheaper. Okay, so in terms of functionality, they're there, but in terms of features, they could do better. Let's talk about the pros and cons here. Here are the pros. With Lightspeed POS, you have 24/7 support. Each account gets an account manager. Inventory management is superb, really superb. Each plan includes a register. You have industry-leading customer loyalty options. You have an account manager for every company, depending on the tier, but you still have an account manager. You have affordable pricing plans that scale with businesses of all sizes. You have an intuitive and easy to use interface. This is really, really good. The UX, fantastic. The UI, fantastic. You have powerful features for managing inventory, customers, and employees. You have flexible integrations with popular accounting, e-commerce, and shipping platforms, boss. So this is really, really great. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. I like to do this because I want to contextualize the conversation we're having, so you know exactly where we have to be on the same page. So I'm giving you a full Lightspeed POS review, so you have a clear idea what you're getting yourself into should you decide to actually go with Lightspeed for your POS needs. What are the cons? It is expensive compared to other POS systems, hands down. But anytime we talk about expensive or affordability, it's a matter of your priority, right? It's a matter of what's really important for you, because because Lightspeed does add value. So the question is, are you willing to pay for that value, or do you really even need that value? And with Lightspeed, you have lengthy contracts. It's not very easy to cancel. If you want to cancel, they'll start playing games with you. They'll ghost some of your calls or whatever. So yeah, they play games when it comes to once you're tied to them, it's not like you're tied for life. But here, think twice before actually thinking about divorcing from Lightspeed. And you must request a quote for hardware pricing, and you do have limited customization options, and some features require product upgrades. So those are the kind of limitations we believe are kind of inherent in Lightspeed's POS offers as of now. Now, I'm not saying like three months from now or 6 months from now, things are not going to change. Things may change, as they do in this industry. But right now, as of the date of this show, those are the limitations we believe are sort of hindering Lightspeed's evolution in the industry. Let me talk to you about the features that you will love with Lightspeed POS. And when we talk about the features, you have to understand the Lightspeed retail POS system is a cloud-based platform that helps small businesses manage their inventory, sales, and customers. So this trifecta is really at the core of Lightspeed POS capabilities: inventory, sales, and customers. Inventory, sales, and customers. Stock, revenue, and clients. Okay. And it's one of the top retail POS solutions for small businesses, and they do offer a wide range of features that you will need. Let me give you an example. You have inventory management, you have sales reporting, you have customer management, you have multi-channel selling, you have e-commerce integration, you have 24/7 support, you have scalability, you have affordability, you have ease of use, and you even have a free trial period. So, boss, what I'm trying to say here is that when you think about the depth and breadth of features that comes with Lightspeed, it's just marvelous. It really is marvelous. Let me give you an example. When you think about the inventory management, Lightspeed POS, the retail POS, offers a real-time inventory management, which means what? You can keep track of your stock levels and ensure that you never run out of products. You never run out of products. Sales reporting, the system provides detailed sales report through the Lightspeed login portal, so you can see which products are selling well and which ones need to be promoted more. What about customer management? Well, the software helps you keep track of your customers' contact information and purchase history. This way, you can offer them personalized service and build long-term relationships, which you need anyway in this industry, boss. You need that. What about multi-channel selling? With Lightspeed Retail, you can sell your products online, in-store, or on mobile devices. This gives you the flexibility to reach more customers and boost your sales, right? When you really think about it. And e-commerce integration, you are well served because Lightspeed integrates with popular e-commerce platforms such as Shopify so that you can manage your online and offline sales from one central platform. And we love the centrality. And you have 24/7 support, of course. You always can always reach someone if you have any questions or problems. Scalability, the POS is scalable so that it can grow with your business. As your business expands, you can add more users, products, and features to the system. Okay, so this is kind of cool. And on top of that, it's very easy to use, it's very user-friendly, so you can start using it immediately without hours of training. Let's talk about suitability. So when you think about Lightspeed POS, I mean, people, they actually do a lot of promotion and Lightspeed POS here, Lightspeed POS there. The question is, whom is it best for? So Lightspeed Retail POS, in our view, is best for small to mid-sized businesses that need a reliable and affordable solution for managing inventory, customers, and sales. Remember this trifecta I told you about: stock, clients, and what else? Revenue. So with Lightspeed, businesses can track inventory, customers, sales, and more in one place. The centrality. Additionally, Lightspeed allows you, if you go with them, allows you to accept credit card payments and connect to QuickBooks for accounting purposes. Overall, Lightspeed is an ideal solution for companies that want to streamline their operations by selling across channels from a single POS system, making life easier for their employees. And so now, what are the supported industries as of the date of this show? I mean, this is an evolving list. It's not an exhaustive list, but here are the primary industries that Lightspeed POS as of the date of this show supports. You have apparel, you have bike, you have CBD, you have electronics, you have gift store, you have health, you have home decor, you have jewelry, you have liquor, you have pet, you have sporting goods, you have toy, you have tobacco, vape, you have golf, and you also have for restaurants, you have Lightspeed restaurants. Okay, so you have there a clear segregation of industries. And by the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a quick conversation about Lightspeed POS. I'm giving you an in-depth review about the POS, the point of sale solution, and see whether or not this is a go or no go for you. One thing I want to say here is that overall, if we were to recommend this Lightspeed POS to any business, we would say we want to really recommend this to businesses that want a customer loyalty program, So because Lightspeed customer loyalty offer is just very advanced and very great. So overall, this is great. And in terms of inventory management, it's just fantastic. Going back to the trifecta I spoke about, this trifecta is quite essential to your future business. I mean, to your future business opportunities. If you really, let's say, boss, let's say you want to grow your business, you want to scale. If you don't take care of stock management, you're not going to grow. If you don't take care of customer management, you're not going to grow. If you don't take care of revenue, you're not going to grow. So you need this trifecta. Very important. Let's talk about the extra. See, the thing is, when we sit down and we analyze, let's say, Lightspeed POS, and we want to ask questions about the extras, there are other benefits. I mean, obviously, you have the primary benefits, that's for sure. You have the ancillary benefits, that's for sure. But you also have the other benefits depending on your geography, depending on your niche, depending on the specific sector you're in. So one of the more impressive features of Lightspeed POS is offered in the advanced plan and above. So that's what we call omni-channel loyalty. What does that mean? It means that your customers can enjoy the same loyalty benefits online that they do in store. You can run campaigns specifically for your best loyal customers, which encourages, when they really think about it, it encourages what, boss? Repeat business. And you need that, because if you have repeat business, you have customer retention, your revenue is going up and up and up and up over time. So this is how you scale actually. And transactions processed through Lightspeed payments, unless you go with a third-party payment processor. If opting for an offsite payment processor, expect to pay significantly higher monthly rates for your Lightspeed POS account. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, all players do that. Shopify does it. Square does it. So, Lightspeed does it. They're not the only one doing it. So that's really what it is. So one thing I want to say here is that if you are interested in something specific, if you want, let's say you want a bespoke quote, a customized quote, it's better just to contact sales, because the sales team can offer you better pricing in exchange for a lengthy contract. So this is something you need to think about. But overall, Lightspeed is great when it comes to inventory management, mobile payments, software integration is great. Something that Shopify doesn't have, for example. Like Shopify is not really great when it comes to, let's say, inventory management. So if you were to look at the inventory management, Lightspeed is great. Shopify not that good. Ecwid great also. What about mobile payments? Lightspeed is fantastic. So is Shopify, and so is Ecwid. In terms of software integrations, all three are also good. One thing I want to say here is that one of the most significant differences between Lightspeed POS, Stripe Terminal, and eHopper POS, for example, is price. And Lightspeed has a sizable monthly fee in addition to credit card processing fees, and Stripe Terminal has no monthly fee but charges at 2.7% plus 5 cents per successful card transaction. Lightspeed's least expensive plan is $69 per month, paid annually, in addition to a $29 per additional register per monthly fee. And whereas the most expensive tier for eHopper is $49.99 per month, eHopper's transaction fees, in addition to its monthly fee, are 2.5% plus 10 cents per swipe or dip. So this is whatever it is. And one thing I want to say here is that in terms of, let's say, top alternatives to Lightspeed, you have the Clover Station, for example. Clover Station is the top alternative to Lightspeed in that regard. I want to talk to you quickly about pricing, right? Shall we talk about pricing at all? Yeah, I mean, if you're going to pay something to Lightspeed, you better really have a clear idea of what you are getting yourself into. So Lightspeed Retail POS starts at around $69 to $75 per month if paid annually. Each product's prices increase if you pay monthly or choose to use your own processor. So to get the best price on Lightspeed, you'll want to use Lightspeed payments and pay annually. Lightspeed processing rates are competitive, and we typically recommend using integrated payment processors whenever possible, so you have one company to call for support, right? You don't want to call Shopify for support and call Lightspeed for anything else. No, you call one company and that's it. So when you think about the pricing here, you have the lean, the standard, the advanced, and the enterprise plan. So when we talk about the lean plan, so for Lightspeed Retail Lean, you have this is great for essential retail business needs, for example. So it will cost you about on a monthly basis $69 to $75. I'm talking about the numbers as of the date of this show. So you have Lightspeed payments 2.6% plus 10 cents. For Lightspeed Standard, you have this is ideal for omni-channel businesses. So you have monthly $149 per month, and Lightspeed payments 2.6% plus 10 cents. For Lightspeed Advanced, you have more tools like loyalty and advanced reporting, and you will pay around $275 per month. And you have Lightspeed payments. If you go with Lightspeed payments, you will pay 2.6% plus 10 cents. Now for the enterprise, you have to contact sales. So you must call to get a quote. Features include dedicated, unlimited, personalized onboarding, consultation services, and API support. So, hey, listen, you have to make sure it makes sense for you, right? Don't get yourself into something that you really don't need. And so, if you go with the advanced plan, you can reward your customers for their loyalty with this plan and obtain better insights to help make decisions for your business. And for the standard plan, this plan is ideal for omni-channel businesses because of its e-commerce and accounting integrations. And for, let's say, sorry about that, for the lean, so you really have a very lean, as the name implies, you have a very basic operation. But hey, listen, this is great for a start. If you want to start, this is just fantastic. So I want to give you our verdict. So the question is, you've been watching this show. I mean, you're interested in the verdict, right? Is Lightspeed POS right for your business? In our view, yes, definitely, hands down. Lightspeed POS is best suited for established businesses because of all the features that come with a hefty price tag. So if you are a startup, you are sitting there, you are just wondering whether you should go with Lightspeed, I would tell you, don't do it. You want to go with Square rather. Okay, and if you already sell online, you want to go with Shopify if you already are in the Shopify ecosystem. Otherwise, if you go with Square, it's just a lot better. The enterprise plan is perfect for national retail chains that process a large number of orders every single day. Businesses that sell online and in person can benefit from its standard tier thanks to its e-commerce and accounting capabilities. So this is what it is. So when you think about Lightspeed POS, you can do a lot of things. I mean, this is basically you setting up your operation, you having a combined set of hardware and software that enables you to ring up customer purchases, and it lets you accept customer payments, monitor payments, and keep track of item inventory. So this is kind of cool. And Lightspeed is great when it comes to inventory tracking. Okay, so it really depends on what you're looking for. But if you can't go with the Lightspeed, consider Square, or you can consider eHopper, for example. You can consider Clover, for example. Okay, Lightspeed does work for restaurants, yes. Lightspeed offers a restaurant-specific POS that is better equipped to handle the unique needs of the restaurant industry. So Lightspeed POS is best for retail stores, okay? And so no contracts are required. So this is kind of cool. You're not really committing to something like crazy. However, you receive better pricing when you sign one. And so there are no surprises. You want to carefully read everything before you sign up. And one thing I need to say also is that, hardware is sold separately. So you want to really think about that. You want to ready your budget for that. And so hardware is sold separately, and you can purchase hardware bundles or buy what you need a la carte. So for pricing, you must request a custom quote. So it's one of those things where you have to contact sales anyway. So there's plenty to like about Lightspeed Retail. Lightspeed Retail POS is a slick cloud-based platform that helps small businesses manage their inventory, sales, and customers. So this trifecta alone is just fantastic. So go for it, boss. Go for it. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I was just talking to you about Lightspeed POS. This was an in-depth review. So I give you the overview, the pros and cons, the features, the suitability, the extras. I also spoke about the pricing and the verdict. Thank you. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.